Welcome to Triumph IAS. In today's video we will explain what is UPSC Civil Services exam for the beginners who are interested to take the exam and want to join Civil Services of India. UPSC Civil Services is a highly competitive exam conducted by the Union Public Service Commission to recruit candidates for various administrative services in India, such as the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service, and Indian Revenue Service among others. Importance. The UPSC Civil Services exam is considered to be one of the most prestigious exams in India and opens up a wide range of opportunities for candidates to serve the nation in various capacities. Important things to know about the UPSC Civil Services exam. Eligibility. To be eligible for the UPSC Civil Services exam, a candidate must hold a graduate degree from a recognized university. UPSC Civil Services exam age limit, candidate must be a minimum of 21 years of age. Exam pattern. The UPSC Civil Services exam consists of 3 stages: preliminary, mains, and interview. The preliminary exam consists of 2 papers of objective type questions. The mains exam consists of 9 papers of essay subjective type questions, and the interview is a personality test. Syllabus. The UPSC Civil Services exam covers a wide range of topics including history, geography, economics, current affairs, and general knowledge. The mains exam consists of 9 papers. All of the papers consist of descriptive answer type questions. The 9 papers in IAS exam mains are as follows. Paper A, compulsory Indian language, and Paper B, English, which are qualifying in nature. While the other papers like essay, general studies papers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and optional papers 1 and 2 are considered for the final ranking. Preparation. Preparing for the UPSC Civil Services exam requires dedicated efforts and focused studies. And here comes our role. At Triumph IAS we provide online and offline platforms, proper guidance, one-to-one mentorship and resources to the candidates so that you will achieve success towards your civil services preparation. Selection procedure. The final selection of candidates for various services is based on their performance in the mains and interview stages. The preliminary exam is only a qualifying exam, and the marks obtained in it are not counted towards the final selection.